my first step nangena nje mina enombolweni ngeda na 2 ma 20 ligwayi belisangena ejele that time basi nabangihlola nje ngacela bangishiyele imali esitolo yabo ngahamba ngase ngiya requesta ngathola lama 20 ngathola emaRizzla nemboza because they smoke the guys ligwayi ke lisemthethweni enombolweni lokungekho emthethweni enombolweni natural la sebanatha la ngaphandle that's why bayabulalana yabo otherwise le nombolo it's all pools igazi la lomunye umfowethu nangani limon which means you don't stab another guy lo senombolweni because ingadi yakhe ayi taste lokwendekako uthi na umncane na ungena ejele bafike na usemncane uthanza tinto so ejele kudla kwasejele akusemnanzi kudliwa likabishi kudliwa simnyawo let's even worse kudliwa isoup and le soup ingama colors some of the guys baze bathi isoup yetinja uyabo I'm not saying ukuthi ejele kudliwa isoup yetinja but yinvo lekhona la kuleti bosho uthi le soup leni yasicubula uyabona ngathi isoup yetinja what uyabona indlela labayinywa ngayo because yinvo lengadleki lengatsandzeki so ukhanze ukuthi iyamhlula lento and then there's this person lo wenda lo mkhuba wekulala abantwana wekulala abafana ngoba wekulala abantu labathuna because uyamkhanza nemfana lomncane lomdzala lo uneslave khanza umuntu ona 45 alelo ngumuntu ona 20 years ngoba 23 years ngingena naleli teki leli nasengilambile ngente angilidayisa nga2 Movite kanti ngilithenga 800 iMovite 30 something rand
bengafuni ukuhleka inyuso Movite athi Movite on social media
it's indlela baswela ngayo ejele uswela ngisho insipho uyithola ngeweekend and le uyithola this weekend tawecala weekend layer uyithola kuleya which means uyithola ngefortnight yabona so that's how tough it is now ungahlolwa you cannot survive so what happened ejele the hour is like 10 months because uye imali mphonvo awukhona icabanga uvungasi live likuflathele bakeni bakuflathele la ukhona khona ulahliwe and it's so painful that there's no one lokuvelako wonke umuntu la usenkingeni wonke umuntu la usebuhlungweni labanye bayajabula kubale ngekhathi I want to say this sorry bayajabula kubale ngekhathi because they are possessed yabona they are possessed ababoni kude nje lokucabanga ukuthi angaba nelisasa nawo lena ngekhathi yabona but there are those that make something out of being inside prison you know they do come out complete ngekuthi asangiluke sekale ngekhathi akhethe uNkulunkulu because that's the only way that you can survive uthi urepent ushintshe lempilo yakho so prison is the worst place a person would ever want to go to.
Superstar Rockstar Level bafethu, welcome back to the biggest YouTube channel. Bafethu nani nga subscribe siyacela uthi pause the video right now, pause this video, subscribe, hit the notification button, comment, most importantly share this video bafethu, share leni wonke mrabona to phakathi inside in the building and thatha ama clip share labanye and comment and all of that. Bafethu njengenjwayele we out share art visuals ne the collective bafethu, you know we're doing it big for the culture, young people making sure ukuthi don't get into dahlangana to give you guys fire contents bafethu. We collaborate like we don't play around. Njengenjwayelo shout out pins to Clear Story etholakala kaManzini Landers Bambosa Legion ibuke Instagram, TikTok na Facebook. Bashele around Clear Store for favorite local brand. Shout out to Indigenous African. Sishito sathi itho bafethu ye nation tho iyaqhubeka bafethu nabo nenzawo la ufuna usinvite khona uthi sithe sinishayele around ngaba ibusiness yakho ngaba restaurant ngaba ngilawushisa khona inyama anyway. We are willing invite us in the podcast yonke ama details ama emails dinombolo tatholakala description sithi sinishayele around noma ngawukuphila kangwani i-podcast wase story tawufika around yakho, you know we bring it lapho nema camera ethu, we make sure ukuthi we get it popping ku venue yakho. Njengenjwayelo bafethu, you guys you know you request and we deliver, you request we deliver. This guy that we have right now, Umuntu, that has been convicted for 14 years, bafethu, spent time in prison, ulana to tell us his story, bekasola hamba, uyasho to rehabilitate, so yahamba tinzaweni uyakhuluma ukuthi bekhamba njani inside prison and bekaphila impilo before Nanyelo Sophila Impilo Kanjani was part of the 28 gang. Our big brother Roger is in the building. He's the chance. My brother, how are you?
I'm okay and you?
But let's sibonga ukuthi Roger bani?
Roger Mitchell.
Roger Mitchell. Ay. My brother, bakucelile la ihlelweni yathi.
Yes.
Basho bathi yathi nawungasitholela Boot Roger. Siyambona on the ground. Ne-story sakhe is very, very interesting.
Yes.
Siyabonga ukuthi uthathe lithuba Boot Roger ukuthi uzivakashela. By the way, it's a beautiful daughter, lona 2 years. Bangamangala nasebambona sekahle atokushayela i-round like Ken.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm okay. I'm coping. God is great, yeah.
God is great. Impilo injani? How's life so far?
So, you know, you have to push. Even if you have a headache, you have to wake up and live. You know, yeah. Siyapusha. Siyazama nekushlangabeta sive. Lasikhona kusita khona, yes. Ikakhulu i-youth. Because today it's all about the youth. Yes. Kuthi sibe nelikusasa lelihle. Inhloso yethu ndeyo. Otherwise, I'm coping. I'm okay. Everything's fine, yeah. Akusithi kukhala na usaphefumula.
Yeah.
Siyasisho njalo.
Basho njalo. Bathi khali hamba njenge-ambulance.
Kunjalo ngoba invoice liyaligoquka.
Yeah. So my brother, let's just get straight into it.
Yes.
Uyakhuluma nge-gangsterism. Uyasho to spend some time in prison.
Yes.
Nyalo swahambela tikolwa. Solo uyasho to rehabilitate. Just take us through your journey. Mina nje ngakekela usichazele ukuthi ungubani Roger, uqhamukaphi, how did you end up being, ukhulephi, ufika njani kuthini ube uboshwe, ufika njani ukuthi ujoin i-gang and all of that.
Yes, sir. Okay, Roger grew up in Zakhele. Ngikhulele Zakhele. I grew up in front of a stepfather because baba washona ngisesiswini. My father was an artist. He was a vocalist, guitarist. So the one castabo beba imitator bo Bob Marley, because you know, Swazi artists were not like today, those years. Apparently, okay, ngakula ne stepfather. I was born in Bobon. Clearly like 4 years in Fontaine, and then my mom moved to Manzini in Zakhele. Lapho khona nangkhula sengifundza Salesian. Ngikhule ngumntwana ke longeva. I want to be clear. Ngikhule ngumntwana longalaleli batali. I was a very naughty person at my age. La bangati konje ngisakhula labanye bathi I even worse than the problem child. There was this movie called The Problem Child nasakhula thina in the early 80s 90s. But I was even worse than that. Roger ufunza Salesian. I never competed there. Apparently ngicine sengikhompyutha sengikhathi ejele i-education yami. So what happened to me, ngikhule ngilongeva kwaya ngaboshwa abatali. Ngangena e-prison, ngangena e-remand center. Nangifika e-remand center, okay, bangigweba 16 months ngikhumbula kahle. I went to la sekuyivula masango, it was juvenile those years. Ngaphuma ke ngalomqondo ukuthi angiva. Yabo. Because sometimes when you go into prison as a young person, there's things that you learn lo teachela ukuthi soyadade ngoba na ufika le ngikhathi ukhanza abantu abagangile lengaphandle. Kanti wena wagang njengami nje mina bengilethwe badali. I wasn't a person lebengathi bengiganga, I was a criminal uyabona. But le ngikhathi ke ufika ukhanza lonke lihlobo lemuntu. Lo munye uboshelwe rape, lo munye uboshelwe ecekeza, lo munye uboshelwe kweba uyabo. So there are many things happening inside. So what happened then, nga-inhale letitori tabo, ngasho njalo. Lokuyengana uthi yathi mina kuse nangiphuma lana ivele mina ngifuna kwenda naku. And then from then I found ukuthi ngathi ekhaya sengiyahlukubeteka kakhulu. Okay, right, my father was a person lo ngathi uhash. Because those years akufana namuhla. Kuthi umntana nakakuhlukubeta uyakhona kuyobika emaphoyiseni, babuye banikhulumise kube nehlala kahle. Those years umntali nje nangeva kahle bekathatha ngisho sigila kushaya ngaso uyabona. So yeah, things were a bit tight for me. I ended up running away from home, coming back, bangilanze, running away, coming back. Vele ngikhule ngilongeva ngagcine sengikhula sengena ngikhathi prison. Sengenela kweba. Kutsi sengene endlini yemuntu ngafika ngambamba ngathatha something at the age of 16 nangikhumbula kahle sihamba nalinye ilijasa afike sabamba lomunye endlini sathatha tinfo saphuma sadayidayisa basibamba. When they caught us, I had a string of cases. Bengasasiqala linye ngoba besihamba senda lamaqala.
But man, Putrocha, hey. Nawuthi sibile kancane mvanene nawuthi ke waqala bayokufaka bakubopha umncane into boyenda as umfana as a small boy bowendani kahle nawuthi bongeva nje.
Okay, ngathini because batali bami mina nangikhula mina my parents they were alcoholics. Angifuni ukufihla lo ngihlala ukukhaza. My parents were alcoholics.
Thatha umfana yete kubaba wakhe.
They were alcoholics. Come Pepe. Okay then. Don't cry then. Don't cry. Oh, my parents were alcoholics. So nangikhula vele bebede isikhathi nathi. Bebede isikhathi sekukhuluma nathi. Bebede isikhathi sekuva tidzingo kodethu. So you'd find ukuthi tonke tinfo ufuna stendele. Mina nje makhokho ngikhumbula kahle ngathi sengela mina makhokho ngemali besihamba sicela kubantu. Yabo. Ngagcina ngithole makhokho ngikhumbula my first khokho nje bekuyiwinga those years bekunamawinga lebengathi ngamajoma. Nangikhuluma ngingeva I used to run away from home. So the other day ngasi nangifika ngekuthi angaya esikolweni ngafika ngena ngelifastela ngayothatha timbahla. Ngaphithita alifastela ngathatha timbahla tami letimbahla ekhaya. So lo kwabaphatha kabantu abazali. Ngasinomfana keva lona funa simise amaphoyiseni bayomkhulumisa. Nangifika bangise ka-magistrate. Nangifika ka-magistrate bangikhumbula kahle bangigweba kuma-chambers bangigweba 16 months ngiyokhuliswa le juvenile ngiyoboniswa ukuthi le ndvo lengiyendako ayisiyo. Only to find ukuthi nangifika lena e-juvenile ke sengifika ngijwayelana abangani babi because lengekhathi kunebantu labenda ebucala labangenele ebucala. And then we come out siyalandzelana lokwendekako ke ejele fama ukuthi na uphuma wena ukhanze ukuthi lo munye uphumusana nawo lelo langa o ngiyalandzelana ngamalanga. Yes babe. So ngiyalandzelana ngamalanga so aswa Pay me a piece of the mouth. So what happens ukhanze ukuthi lejele invole moshaw then so ejele what happens ujwayela abantu. So labantu nawo bajwayela labantu uba nemkhuba lo uba nengathini bakuthelela umoya lo sithe ezifu ngathi nawe so uyati ukuthi yini iganga kani iganga ukwati at that age vele bengakwati iganga yabona ngasho njalo. So ke
you find in love bonding session.
True. So what happened? Yeah. So what happened? She's feeling a bit sleepy. I took her early in the morning.
It's fine.
Yeah. So what happened? I got there to juvenile. When I came out worse. I was very worse. Ngaqala ganga. Apparently, I mean, bo Fairview. I don't want to lie. Bo Fairview, bo Helemisi. You can name it. Send my house march. Bese it's my house march gets in. Ungene endlini yemuntu umbamba inkunzi la ngikhathi.
Live
house robbery, yeah, live akhona. There's a client in here that I met. I mean, not a client, sorry. Umuntu lengamgangela. That I met just I think last year. When I saw this guy, is like, hey, Ewen. Unjani Phuthi sangibona and like yeah ngiyakubona uthi no Phuthi wami ngiyakubona futhi ukuthi ushintshile uNkulunkulu aqhubeka akusibekele uyabona ngasho ngathi mfowethu ngiyaxolisa wathi no you don't need to explain because lobo kwenda wena bekungasuwe nyalokhani uqala kuba ngwenyalo ngibona nje ukuthi uhambile wathonsa waphuma nyalo kuyabonakala ukuthi wendani nempilo yakho kuyabonakala soshintshile yabo because I'm also a soccer player. I used to be a very good soccer player. Most people know me as a soccer player. I've been to Manzini Sundowns. I've played for Malkan Squamboys. I've played for what you call this team, Zakhele Legends. All my stepfathers were soccer players. They the Tablanches. Yes, they've played for Sundowns. They've played for Sihlangu. So yeah, I also had a call-up at my young age. I think I was 19 by the time, 19 or 20. Yabo basibita ma under 21 esihlangu. So I was very gifted left-footed. So vele ngingumuntu lokhule angeva lo hlukubete batali, lo hlukubete umphakathi, lo hlukubete ummango, lo hlukubete nje wonke umuntu lobekamthanza.
What does it take now uthi niyendlini angithathe nje for planning ukuthi nihleli nimajita. How do you know ukuthi okay asiyeni kunendlu nayi? Do you get umuntu lo inside lo tentshetse lapha kunemali or kunenda njani ukuze nifike lapha nyamkhunga lo mfo do?
Okay, because ukhuluma ne-ring leader. Okay, yeah, lo bekwendeka, this thing is just happens spiritually. Okay, that's a mic, Nana. That's a mic. It happens spiritually, this thing, because now yenda lento usuphethwe amademon. Yes, kusuke ngasuwe, this thing drives you. Kanga ube uyabona indlu lenhla kusineke ukuthi ubude uthi kunani ngikhathi uvele ubone ukuthi okay la ngikhathi la kunani. Lebe sikwenda ke isikhathi lesinenge besathi ukuthi like Helemis itindlu tetingathi isilungu. It's an estate or something. So besathi ukuthi la ekseni ababi khona isikhathi lesinenge labanikade. See that there's the garden boy or the kitchen girl. So nasifika thina sibambe lo garden boy. Bese bangi-2. And we were young, but lesibinzi lebesinaso. Because kukhumbula kwami nje inkunzi yethu yokuqala sengikuxoxile na story. Inkunzi yethu yokuqala sizama estradini. Okay, sibafana sathi lutho ngeganga. Sathi nje ukuthi kubanjwe inkunzi. Yes baby. Oh yes. Lokwendekako ke sathi ukuthi kubambe inkunzi. Siuphethe umukho siphethe 3 stars. I remember I was with another boy called Temgosi, so washona naye. Wabulawa amaphoyisa ngenza bekanga. Nasidibana nalo sisi lo sibesikipha umukho. Sikhipha umukho sisifuna imali. Yabo avela avule isiphathi sakhe lo sisi. I think la khathi sakhanza kunabo 2 rand. Yabo asakana mali yena njanjanyana sibesithatha. We not thinking ukuthi lo sisi mhlambe angahamba atshelela omunye umuntu. Sikhube sime kusona le stratless. Qhamuke omunye baba. Nakaqhamuka lo babe lo sikhipha umukho azuba ahlale lapha lo muntu omtsalo uyabona. Kise wena faka imali agijima lo muntu omtsala asimiyeke. Kanti utawubuya. Nakabuya umuntu omtsala sobuya uphethe ring frost. Na ukhumbula kahle lapha emavuso there was a bush lapha kunemanyeva kunetihlahla uyabona. Dabo mangosi. Bekusede imavuso sport center. Bekulihlathi nje. Yabo i-trade center isesengale ngendasi. So nakabuya sobuya soshintshele impahla ufaka nelikepisi. Uyabona. Simile ke thina siditshela ukuthi hayi lo nakeda lona siyambamba. Apparently nasekathute lo muntu omtsala bekusanyuka nemalole emoba that time aboshukela khona la kulomgwaqo lo. So what happened that time? Naso uyasonzela umuntu omtsala sesiyabona ukuthi hayi nguye lo babele bese siyambamba lo yabo. Apparently abakhipha le reinforce lakhe lo muntu omtsala. Ngibe ngiwele ne truck ngiyayilandzela angisibeka hamba kancane nama truck nasekafika lapha eTulu. Okay, ngiconnect akha ngayamgijimisa eThemkosi. Wamgijimisa wamshawa ngena la khathi kuleli gagana. Yabo. Kwaba kuhlukana kwethu sasadibana sesidibana ngale ngendasi emfuleni ugcwele emanyeva uyabona. And then we said no, inkunzi ayisiyo yethu. Let's start breaking into houses. Yabona lapho khona singestrugglisha ngekubamba abantu because asiyadi lento lesiyendawo. And then we started at a very young age. I think lapho I was about 15, 16. Daddy. Yes, babe. 15, 16. So what happened? Vele siqale singenele tindlu tebantu. Sithole ama-radio, sithole ama-TV. We go sell these things in town lapha e-bus rank. Bekusene ma-CD. Sidayisene nema-disc, ama-DVD. Kwagcina kungenile lento. Sengathi ukuthi okay mina kuze ngiphile fune ngigange. Kuze ngiphile fune ngigange. Ngagcina esikoleni sekungabi into le serious.
Asibelele kule robaro sithe uyakho sibokhanzana bo kitchen.
Yes, bo kitchen girl na garden boy.
Yes, what's the plan? Yes,
okay. What we do there? Ngivele ngimtshela ukuthi lalele bhuti. Sometimes bengingabatsheli nasiyoganga. Bengisaba ngiphekethele. Because lendvo uyabona info na uphethwe kuneva. Singabatshela ngisebangani bami seningiphethe ngifuna ukujika la. Sisihamba khona nje lengabathatha bebathi ngimashambulane namalakhe. Sasinasifike singena sabamba lelinye elishayini. Sasinasifike singena lapha asaqala sabamba lo Garden Boy. We found him like ngesimnethu yathi sicela kunatha yabona. Weda-ke wasinaketha sakhipha abobhusha. Yabo. Wasuthi ufuna kuzuba sambamba samlalisa phasi. Umuntu-ke uvama ukuthobela especially nawuto wenda invulanga igazi. Especially nakade akukhiphela umukha uyethuka. Yes. Okay, when we went inside, yabo. Nasingena ngekhathi sikhanze bahleli. I don't know if I should say this, but it's a bit scary and sad. Okay, sikhanze bahleli. There was another man sitting here. They were watching TV, and another lady.
Kusemini kusebusuku.
Kusekuseni ngaleli khathi leti. Besingagangi ebusuku because besaba kudutshula. Yes, bekuthi khathi leti bo one sine sesinemali right. So what happened? Sinyonyobe singene ngasekitchen. Sinyonyobe sebabona bayabukela siyeva kunemuntu ohlabelako ngale bathroom. Our intention ngelapho was to go to the bedrooms. Sifike sebe lesikwebako because singathi abasinaki. Siphume sihambe. Singasababambe. But Garden Boy vele sesimkhungile le. Simkhunga ngale water pipe. Yes man. Okay, watch yourself there. Simkhunga ngo-water pipe. So what happens? Ngithi ngisanyonyoba angibone abone lesithunzi sami. Uyabona? Lo sisi lo sebathroom asingibani loyo engijike. Yabo. Ngisingijika they were watching, there was a bag la bekayiphethe lo sisi ngala. So ngikhumbula kahle because sagcina sesiliteka leliqala lelo bakazwane ngosami. Bakazwane, and if they're watching this I'd like to say sorry because I never get a chance to apologize to those people, but uNkulunkulu uyade ngacela liqolo kumdala uthi angithethelele kito tonke letono tami because ngikhule ngimlo ngemva vele. Ngikhule ngimlo gangako. So what happened? Ngisidonse lesikhwama kanti lesikhwama usikhungelela sandleni ufakele lelibhande la sandleni. Yabo. Nangithi ngiyasidonsa lesikhwama sibambe la kule sandla. Azube angibambe lenyawo. Asinangibamba lenyawo. I was carrying the bush knife by the time, and then singale bathroom uva uyascreama sising like woo, yabo. Uyeva athuke ke lo se bathroom. Asinakathuka uphuma bekageza ngabubble bath. Bubble bath gwele wonke lo mtima, and she's big. A very big lady. Nakaphuma shelele la passage ngetinyawo yabo, and she's coming, she wants to catch me. So mina my option nyalo is only one option. Kuthi ngishaye lo ngalo bush. Ndo khona kuyivikela kunangilofuna kungibamba uyabona. So apparently ngagcina sengimshaya, but ngangamshayi ukuthi ngiyamgeca, ngamshanga leti mbamba talo busha kakhulu kuze ato khona kungiyekela ayekele lelinyawo lami because ungibamba bengangibambe like ungonile so yabo ubambe lenyawo la ngimshaya wagcina ayekele konke. Ngathatha lesikhwama ngathi ufuna ungibamba lo ngamshaya mina ngagcina ngimphulele mina nje. Yes nani. Okay, go. You can go there if you want to. So ngagcina ngimshayele mina ngakhona kuphuma eminyango. Yabo umngane wami bekavela amile la mnyango wasaba ngena saphuma sabaleka. Apparently ke at time khamba kwetikhathi asibambe emaphoyisa. Yabo, so now ufika emaphoyiseni awuphunyuki. I always tell people ukuthi ngoba ungaganga kanganani. Now ufika emaphoyiseni ngeke uphunyuke na ugangeni. Yabo, because akudlalwa emaphoyiseni nase kufuneka letinfo lamazibithi nje akudlalwa. Okay, I got there, I went to prison. I served a sentence of 4 years. Kumathapha.
Banibamba after banibambela specifically
Lelicala leli.
Bese nishisela lona.
Bese sishisela lona lelicala leli, yes. Nabasibamba siyahamba sifike remind, I think ngahlala boma 6 months bangigweba. Bangigweba ngakumathapha sahlala 2 years. Basigweba 2 years for le robbery leyo. Ngaphuma. It was like ungathi bangiphresa ngelibhathini. It became worse because lapho sengikhula khulile lapho. I started natsatshwala sengena town sengena. There was this place Siyabonga, sasingena kubo Siyabonga, started grouping yabo, sesicala kuthi Kansas Stikhokho yabo, sesiphatha bobusha vele we are fighters nyalo, sesihamba silwisa nalabo tsotsi la ndleleni. It became worse. We got into prison. When we got into prison this time, I had about 7 cases. Yes, baby. What you want? Want you sleep? Want you sleep? Huh? She's moody today. And she doesn't do this. Listen, mommy. Yeah. So yeah, I went into prison with a string of cases. Ngilapho khona la sebangigweba khona lo 14 years. Sebangigweba 14 years, I think at the age of
Yeah.
I think I was about 20, 22, 23 years old. By the time bangigweba 14 years, 8 months. You know, the most important trick of my life is that my mom never gave up on me. She has always been there for me. Noma ngabe bengilukhuni kangakanani. She has always been there. That's why I say, you know, bomake ngibathathe serious kakhulu etimpilweni tebantwana because they are fighters. They are our prayer warriors. My mom has never given up on me. Bekasolo anako ukuthi he's going to change one day. He's going to change one day. Even naloko babe athi lo mfana lo yintsha. Lo mfana lona mina ngambulala. Useless awubonakala umsebenzi wakhe. Because I'm the only boy ekhaya. I come from we are 4 in the family. 3 girls. I'm the only boy. Ngilama Invombatana, which is Janice Mitchell. And then labanglandzelayo is Cheryl and Rowena. So vele ngikhule ngimuntu losehluleki lo hlupha abadali lo inkinga emphakathi ngangena eprison ngasingena eprison I started ngafika ngakhanza abangani bami base Fairview bonhlanhla when I found them bakhanza vele sebangilama 28 nangifika they talk in this language I don't understand this language uyabona but ngihlala nawo bola namajita and then they like no ekse buya mngani wami ujoyine lana khuleka la uyabona lana siphila sonke simajita siyaphilelana siyabhekelana uyabona and to me it was like no they living like brothers uyabona my homeboys bani basekhaya at that time it wasn't about style uyabona that time it was about kuhlalelana nekuphilelana so what happened ngajoyina now join enombolweni ke ufika baqale bakufungisa ngalomthetho wenombolo umthetho nje wocala lolukhuni enombolweni usilinye lekungena kude lekuphuma which means there's one gate in and no way out lapho ke udaba sisebenzi is where you start it's like being a recruit enombolweni okay bangitshela le miyalo okay and then they have 8 rules labakunika wona as a sebenzi lapho khona they tell you that nayikhuluma ngeSwati because inombolo ngeke ngikhulume ngeba ngivela abantu ngidawuviwa ngilabayati linye lekungena kude lekuphuma awudli nalomunye umuntu longasilo 28 awukhulumi nel26 kuphele 8 minutes see once ungakhuluma ne26 kwaphela 8 minutes il26 nalo nikwe 6 minutes khuluma nami because they use 6 as their number we use 8 as our number so kwaphela 8 minutes kuba licala akwendeke futhi ngitholakale ngikhuluma ngalenye indoda lelinye le28 ephoyiseni ngaze ngakhuluma neliphoyisa nje selicala I'm not allowed to talk to an officer because I'm a gangster now I'm only going to go with the group yabo and ke umuntu now sisebenza isikhathi ngifuna uhlale unalomunye lo sisebenzi into ofundzisana le nombolo ngoba nisefika nisama recruit nisafunza le lingo uyabona and then niyafundzisana you'll always go in twos a prison jail always go in twos you don't separate always ngamanene bayi2 nebayi4 but nibondanga which means nisebenzi nonke akwendeki nje ukhanza sisebenzi sihamba na sayitshena because lana nakulo kuthiwa ditalaphi ema-ranks kunema-ranks tigaba netigaba okay ngaba sisebenzi ngayifunza inombolo ngakubamba kubasebenzi and then every year nawutimisela ngale nombolo you get a rank because baye bathi shiyana ngejipho nangebhakaza siliftana nangegunya nangey'tebhisi which means we siyana ngema-rank futhi ke ubonakala ngetendo takho nangetimisela kwakho enombolweni That's how you get your ranks. Apparently ngaba ngumuntu ke lo timiselako. Ngagcina sengifika esigabeni sekuthi ngibe likhanyisane, indondo, the light. So I was like an angel of the dark.
But what do you do? Because we know from looking at other gangsterism content didn't find about agenda networks. I understand that for one from initiation.
Yes.
Because when there's something in order for you which is longena la kule gangsterism what is it lots to wende and two to go up the ranks yes if you find out labanye kuthiwa ufazwe amaphoyisa ubulale what did you do from kungena initiation wendani
mina my first step
ufike la ufika khona
mina my first step nangena nje mina enombolweni ngeda na 220 ligwayi belisangena ejele at that time. Basi nabangihlola nje ngacela bangishiyele imali esitolo yabo ngahamba ngase ngiya requesta ngathola lama 20 ngathola eMarizla neMboza because they smoked the guys. Ligwayi ke lisemthethweni enombolweni lokungekho emthethweni enombolweni natshwala la sebanatha la ngaphandle that's why bayabulalana yabo otherwise le nombolo it's all pulls igazi la lomunye umfowethu nangani limungu which means you don't stab another guy lo senombolweni because ingadi yakhe ayitaste ingadi le taste akwelitaki baye bathi bakasimanga ngoba ngathini ngiblocks labanye amagama labawasebenzisayo lesiyesuwefe ngisho sihambe lo blocks lo ijwayelana kabi yabona so it's like elitaki lela lijwayelana kabi le magama vele labawathanza. So mina my intro was okay, it's different. Labanye vele bangena ngetindlela etehlukene. Labanye bayabayenga la inombolweni babalale. Boys, lengifika ngakunaka eprison bayabasoma hayi kuthi bababamba ngengane. Umuntu nje la ngathi ubanjwe ngengane eprison ngawe yakuyenga because bangambopha la ngekhathi la nawusekhathi ejele uyalenda licala bakuthathe babite amaphoyisa kwendiwe inakuzana kuvulwe licala. Uhamba uboshwe uteke licala ugwetshwe tuka lesigwebo lonasi. So they don't force them. Lokwendekako uthi nawumncane nawungena ejele bafike nawusemncane uthanza tinto. So ejele kudla kwasejele akusemnanzi kudliwa likabishi kudliwa simnyawo let's even worse kudliwa isoup and le soup ngema colors some of the guys baze bathi isoup yetinja uyabona. I'm not saying ukuthi ejele kudliwa isoup yetinja but yinvo lekhona la kuleti bosho uthi le soup leni yasicubula uyabona ngathi isoup yetinja what uyabona indlela labayinywa ngayo because yinvo lengadleki lengatsandzeki. So ukhanze ukuthi iyamhlula lento and then there's this person lo wenda lo mkhuba wekulala abantwana wekulala abafana ngoba wekulala abantu labathuna because uyamkhanza nemfana lomncane lelo lomdzala lo uneslave khanza umuntu ona 45 alelo ngumuntu ona 20 years ngoba 23 years bese uyadibuta usibekuseleni la uyabona. Okay, what happens ke ukhanza ukuthi nabamsoma just like a girl bamsome avume ngekuthi ubona natinvo adle sometimes emkhaya because nawungena bayathi kuboshwe Roger lapha uyabona. Roger usuke eNgwane Park ngangifika ngidawukhanza nemachita seNgwane Park maybe angiwada ngizazi ngiwabona and then those few lengibatiko afike lo nemkhaya wami uyabona ngoba usukaphi mfowethu yabo siyaxoxa lengekhathi ngisuka eNgwane Park asho so ngumkhaya wami wena buka nami ngiyathi bengihlala kuphi lapha ka Green Sea uyabona. Then because ngilo muntu lo mithela ngekhathi so usala isikhathi lesiningi uhamba naye and that person wenda lo mkhuba lo so ugcine ke so yakulala lo muntu lo yabo. So mina when I got into prison it was like no, these are the guys I can hang up with. I feel protected. Yabona because from movies and all that stuff. What is now ngene ejele vele but awuvele bakubambe babona what. But ke bengasika njalo because it was my first time in Matsapa prison. Engivama kuyakubovula amasango. MYPC because ivula amasango yakhiwe nangithi muva yabona. So what happened? Ngayifunza inombolo ngagcina okay mine sigaba sami lesi sekuba likhanyisana. What happened? Big Bend when I moved from Matsapa to Big Bend.
Matsapa is maximum.
Matsapa is a maximum prison and a minimum prison. There's also a super max now.
Okay.
So Matsapa is sort of like a 3-in-1 now.
Okay.
Yeah, inetikaba lapho khona kugcine kufika esigabeni sokuthi abantu labagwetshwe kakhulu labangadzingi kuba nebandla
Okay.
baba se-Supermax, and then there's maximum, and then there's a medium.
Shorty 3-in-1.
Yeah, 3-in-1. Medium lapho khona shothi so sekuvute kwakho kuhamba, it may be 7 years to go home or 10 years yabo, but awusafani nalolo donsa 30 ngoba 50 ngabo. Yes. So
Big
kwafika
band.
isigaba sekuthi ngiye big band. Nangifika big band ngilapha fika khona bangigoba sengibalikhanyisana. Because bengihlala ngikhanyisa igade ejele bengena nayo, igwayi bengihlala ngisupplier, inombolo bengimaintainer always on time. Yabo, if I'm not there ngisuke ngisebholeni. Mina my staff was football in prison, inombolo, football inombolo. Ngagcina sengifika kule rank le. Nangifika kule rank le ngifika njani? Ngifika ngekuthi kunalenye indoda lese ibalekela le nombolo. Nayibalekela le nombolo kani ingizanga yethu. Seyigcina seyiyakhasheleka, sengiyayikhahlela ngekuthi ayifuni kuba nathi isikhathi lesiningi. Iyasibalekela ngisho ibuye nalensango lengaphandle. Uyasibalekela lo muntu loyo. Yabo. So ngagcina ngimkhahlela wasinaka ungipota le ngafika ngathi icethukela, bathi icethukela lokuthi ikhulumela. Udimisele ubachazisele lokuthi okay. Lokubanga ukuthi ngifike lana mina kubanga nginaku so yayibalekela le ndvo lesiyitele la. Yabo. Basa no. Umsebenzi wakho uyabonakala kanti vele useze ukhanyisa nangale nombolo. Truth manje sitakwenda ube likhanyisana. That's how I got there. I never killed anyone kuba likhanyisana. Ngacorrectisa inombolo yase Ntshonalanga, yase 28, yase West. That's what they call, because they call it in many names. Ngacorrectisa inombolo yakhona. And then they said, no, ngoba wena uyacorrectisa. Ngona sekwende ube likhanyisana. Likhanyisana ke linemagama lamane. Ngiphinza ngibe Goliath. Umkhuzeli wempi. Yes. So ngiyayisusa. And mina ngaze ngayisusa kude lo tawubuta lo senombolweni. They will all go in. Siyayikhuluma sesibuya. Kuthi ungibuke kabi ngikushayela kuthi ungibuke kabi. Leyo seyikhulunywa muva, because mina nakunenvo lengayitholi kahle ufuna ngireact at that time. I don't report. Kanti lesikhathi usesesisebenza ufuna report everything ngoba ngawugilwe ngumuntu la uyahamba yo report. Bese ke sebayasho thatha nangibhululu wakho nihambe niyomkhahlela. Sifaswe ke emabhutsa ahamba yokhahlela ngoba ngaliphoyisa. Nje kuneliphoyisa le lengalimuka lisekhona sasebenza. Lengalimuka sigqoko besibukela ibhola. Lokukhombisa, because there was a time lapho khona bese ngingasayini nasenombolweni. Sengibhizi ngomsebenzi wama builders lengekhathi. I have a profession of carpentry and bricklaying. Lengakuthatha lengekhathi. So what happened then? Bese ngicala lokungayi. Sengincipha yabona. Kwathi ngakusale ngigeza le nombolo. Nangisingithi ngikhuza thokotoko bathi nabakubeka licala bese uthi hayi thokotoko. Thokotoko is like sorry. Yes. Base no. Lo sorry lona sesingile awuyigeza le nombolo. Uyicethukele nje ngasishingishane. So when you do it fast. Do it fast now. Kungapheli 8 minutes ungayigeza le nombolo. The only option I had, because bekude ini la ngikhathi ejele bekutry bekungena nsango okungena gwayi. Uyabo tonke tinvo nje tingahambi kahle. The only option I had was ukuthi ngisukele liphoyisa ngoba belihleli libukela ibhola. Ngafika ngathatha likepisi lalo ngagijima nayo. Ngayolibeka egedeni. Nganthatha ngagijima wasinakathi bathi bangigijimisa ngabe ngiqonza. Luckily ke kuvama kuba nemphathi egedeni lo bakhona nje. Abuke isimo la ngikhathi lesinye isikhathi. Azahamba break. Ngasina ngifika egedeni ngamkhanza khona. Wathi Roger, kepisi. Ngiphethe ikepisi la sayitsheni leso sikhathi. And sayitsheni ke uhamba negroup yakhe. Nguye lo ba in command la ngekhathi. Vele babe balithatha likepisi. Nafika bathi bangiphuthuma athi umphathi no. Ngingakwendi lo mthatha niyena ispiltayi. Ngangifika ngale spiltayi. My spiltayi is my isolations. Yeah, they gave me a good thrashing that side. Good thrashing. Ngangakhona ikamba for like 3 days. Yeah. Ngalisendo sami libengisendile because akuzange baphatha kahle. Because bilokho usho mina nitshele sengiliphethe ngedandla selihamba. Sengicala kuthatha inkosi ngoba bekufala ukuthi yabo kuba ne-crown iyahlonishwa. Baye bathi utselela inkosi mabe uthethele isithoko. So yeah, it was a very bad condition. Bang-isolated for like 2 months where they minimize even your chow. Sometimes they give you twice a day, you choose. Either you'll eat in the morning or in the afternoon and the evening. Which ikudla kwasejele ukuthola ekuseni nakuvulwa lijele angithi 7:30 to 7:00 niyadla. Ndoze niphindze nidle emini nga-12. Ndoze nidle entsambama nga-3 nakukhala ensimbi. 3 to 3:30. Yeah, 3:00. 4:00 selivaliwe lijele. 4:30, 4:00 livaliwe lijele. Seningekhathi sokucedzile kudla uyawuzudla kusasa. So ngilokunye lokubanga ukuthi ukhanze ukuthi nebantu lengekhathi sebagcine sebadla tinto tebantu. There's even poison inside there. You are not safe when you are in prison. You are not safe at all. Funa ukuphathe kahle utinakekele. Because why I say there's even poison. Tinto lebesitiphatha ngetandla lebetifika amabhodlela la crashiwe uyabona ubuchopho bendvulo. So sometimes
Ubuchopho bendvulo.
Yes, ubuchopho bendvulo kukanje nasikufaka la kwayini.
Yini indvulo silwane?
Indvulo like
a blue head.
Yes, a blue head. Baye bathathe lo buchopho babomise nabafala kwayini. It's either you'll die or utawuhlanya. Now usinzile. There's another boy lo wasinza beka 26. Washaya ngama 26 ngingavani kwabo. Isikhathi lesiningi nje umbona ulingisa kwa yona le ndvulo yabona, but uba nenkinga ngathi angastretcha lama veins akhe now and then yabona. That's what he smoked from Izol. They smoke and they gave him lapho khona bathi uthi bayafake lo poison wabo waqhubeka naye kwamlimata lo. So kuphuma kwami ngaphuma after 2 months. So I started respecting ekufa sibhaco la ngekhathi ngoba sibhaco bese siyakwehlela ubuye ugcene wena ungathi uphatha kahle la ngekhathi ejele. Kani uyathi usofuna uthi lamaphoyisa angadokuhlupha. I think she's sleepy because yeah.
Khuleka. It's a podcast. You can do whatever you want. Sivakashele nini vese kenu namuhla.
So what happened then? Ngicala ke ngathi sonzeta kula maphoyisa because namaphoyisa ayafuna kwathi. What's your story? What's wrong with you? Why uphathe kanje la ngekhathi ejele uyabona? Why ngoba wena ubuke umfana lo kahle ubuye ekhaya. They also want to help there and there uyabona, because I don't want to lie, a correctional center is there for my inmates. Manje ke kuba nguwena ungena le ngekhathi ukhanze usubalekela namaphoyisa uthi hayi mawade asho ukubetana ayahlanya ayagcilatana kana kusika kanjalo. So what happened is that ngafika ngabona ukuthi no tinfuna tiyasitana. Yes. And then I started ngingababalekeli ngagcina sengisebentele kitchen. Ngisebentele kitchen. I worked there because bese ngine qualification. Once waba ne qualification nga building, babese bathi no asowendele okunye utovulela labanye isikhala. Yabo, so they take you now and then ukuthi uyowenda lama practicals alo msebenzi wadiko. Ukhanze ukuthi kunendfuna efuna kwakhelo. Sihamba siyakhele lendlu yabo. Bakungembedele lokho lokungane so that now uphume na something. Ungathi now uphuma ubese so kushana netimali so hlupha abantu ngaphandle yabo. At least come out with something so that you can try something out.
A day in the life when you're in prison. Now sejele ugwetshiwe. Awusithatha usibeke nje from ilanga nje ukuthi how does it look like? Uyavuka kwendekani? Wendekani? Nike isithombe.
Okay, Monday to Friday ejele when you wake up
uniketana nabala babhayizabo le yithi le bhayiza etshe siyathi konke uthakusiko mnanzi.
Let me tell you, 1 hour in prison is like 10 months. Uyema lo mconvo ungakhona ngisho kwenta ini. Ume lo mconvo kubuye depression. Lokubanga kusifuthi lengakunaka umuntu naka depressed inengitifo letvuka emtimbeni wakhe. Ejele baningi abantu labangena baphilile but nabafika lengekhathi bafike bagule. Kubhedvuka letifo lengekhathi. Ngana
Ngeke so ucimile.
Okay. So what happened ejele li hour It's like 10 months. Because uye malemkonvo awukhona icabanga uvungasi livele kuflathele bakini bakuflathele la ukhona khona ulahliwe. And it's so painful that there's no one lokuvelako. Wonke umuntu la usenkingeni, wonke umuntu la usebuhlungweni. Labanye bayajabula kubale ngekhathi. I want to say this, sorry. Bayajabula kubale ngekhathi because they are possessed. Yabona. They are possessed, ababoni. Kude nje lokucabanga ukuthi angaba nelekusasa nawo lengekhathi. Yabona. But there are those that make something out of being inside prison, you know. They do come out complete. Ngekuthi asangiluke sekale ngekhathi akhethe uNkulunkulu, because that's the only way that you can survive. Uthi urepente ushintshele impilo yakho. So prison is the worst place a person would ever want to go to. That's why
I so grand.
Any end. So yeah, lenga advise kumuntu lo cabanga ganga ngoba lo cabanga ema deals o lo cabanga ngahloniphi abatali. Wekuthi ejela kusimnanzi. Ejela kusimnanzi kubhlungu ngalenye indlela because uyacabanga ubhedlite in a space of like an hour. Solo uyabhidlita uyakha uyabona. Ubona abantu labakuthandayo. Sometimes ushayele nebakini ubacela ukuthi ngicela nifike Saturday. Apparently bangakhona ukufika on that Saturday. Maybe batitshele ukuthi sister sisite maybe next month sesinemali. When at that time maybe wente netikweneti lengekhathi wathatha in. What you want, baby? What you want? Flat or pot? Nanti go to my room. Yes. One nene.
Oh,
some milk. But then Kolela, this is what she grew up drinking, Vele.
I know.
This was her only option. What you want, baby? The phone? Yeah. Phone Google.
So can't say.
Want you sit? Okay, go take. I'm upset. She wants the phone again. You know this.
But that you can say la.
Okay, go take. Deeper, uncle. Go take. Thank you.
That's the people from the podcast.
That's it. Yeah, so what happens, Aish? Prison is not a place to be. It's not a place where you think you can reform yourself and come back as a better person. Because kunebantu labangena ejele bangabheya. Baphume babhema abantu labadzala labanemakhaya labashiya emakhaya lahloniphekayo. Amangale nasekafika umfata say ngipomtseka le 3 or 20. Hawu soyabhema baba ngambhema kunemfana lo ngisitile nje ungiwashele tingubo because there's too much barter trading to be cards. When you barter trading nangena naleli tekuleli nasengilambile. Ngente angilidayisa nga2 Movite kanti ngilithenga 800. Imova I think 30 something rand.
Bengafuni ukuhleka. Inews saying Movite, that's Movite and social media.
It's a ndlela baswela ngayo. Ejele uyaswela ngisho insipho uyithola ngeweekend. And then uyithola this weekend, tawecala weekend layer uyithola kuleya, which means uyithola ngefortnight. So that's how tough it is. Now ungahlolwa you cannot survive. Wow.
Mr. Roger, nalothi babysithile namuhla, I think ngositshele ukuthi Maswati angakuthola kuphi yini lokufisile moving forward, then ngiyathi lo part 2 batamcela sidawuba na part 2. Singaze sikuphazamisa ngoba move umphani yapi emede.
Yes, baby. Yeah, mine is smaller than that one. Okay.
You know, she'll watch this episode
some years to come.
Years to come, and she'll be like, hey, Ben Shu.
This is Anis Mitchell.
Firstborn.
My firstborn.
Siyabonga.
Baby girl. My work here in Tapsiwa wa Metful.
Ach. Shantana. Nini. Hey, the pavilion singing. Hey, no.
Investment to let some talent banal on
Siyabonga.
Okay,
What yini lo busy ngayo Nyalo? And
Nyalo, okay, from Gentleman's Talk, I moved on to Umgogodla Welive. Umgogodla Welive Eswatini is a group of members that includes me and some social workers, poets, because siyasithanda ukusebenzisa ama-poets ngoba I think they are the ones that send out the message better than ama-artists. Yes, sisho siba nawo nema-artists. Yabo naye nje Young Siphanga, naye Phanga B, yabo, which they are also come from the family, the Methula family. Yes, ikhona nje track yakhe ivuka. There's another track, le motivate abantu sifuna ukuyikhipha ithi champion. Ikhuthaza abantu ukuthi na utingisela how to become an overcomer. You can always be a champion in whatever you do, as long as you fight to win. Because organization Mgogodla Welive, our intention is to encourage the young people to see how powerful education is. If it wasn't for education, we wouldn't be here today. Nalokuthi uba successful kanganani empilweni na ufunzile, because na ufunzile uba nayo le mindset yokuthi create job opportunities for other people by opening up your own business. So phinza futhi sibakhuthaze nge-power of religion ukuthi na umuntu lokhonda uNkulunkulu uba successful kanganani, futhi ke impilo yakho iba safe kanganani, yabo. And the most important thing lokubanga ukuthi kiko konke lesikhulumako kulabantu sibakhuthaze ngelive laNkulunkulu, it's because simo semuntu sekuphila siseBhayibhelini. I call the Bible a manual of life, because the Bible always brings good into a person's life. It doesn't talk about bad things letfune tendeke empilweni yakho, but iBhayibheli lichaza lo ukuthi na umuntu ufuna ukuphila kanjani, ngisho umntwana umkhulisa kanjani. There's this verse, Ephesians 6 verse 4, lapho khona sikhuthaze badali. Ephesians nje sukela ku6 kuyetu kuyofika ku verse 12, lapho kukhuluma ngemndeni khona. Sina ngumdali kumqoka kanganani ukumatisa umntwana ngaNkulunkulu, because umntwana nakakhule ngesandla semdali ukhula abe ngumntwana lophelele. Kanti umntwana lokhule ekhaya lingasilo, for instance lakhaya sithi banatha tshwala abaye esonveni, ngoba makuya esonveni nethi nakabuya uhleba abafundisi, uyabona, bayabuka labantwana bayasho bathi so make sikhokho nakaya esonveni uba ngiholy nakabuya lakhaya kuyafiwa, uyabona. So labantwana labo ngeke baze bamhlonipha umntali wabo, uyabo. For instance umntali logwadlayo, uyabona, uyagwadla lo mntali, uyakhula lo mfana lo. Nakakhula mfana lo, she's turning 16, she's watching everything la kwendako ma. So uyaqala ke naye at the age of 15 or 16 years. So uyaqala ulala ngaphandle, nakathi uyakhuta ma, uthi umfana ngafuta wena, yabo. So uthini ke lapho lo mntali, sengiphi action letayithatha, utawuthi umfana kamhlonipha, athi ummikisa amaphoyiseni, afi umfana akhulume emaphoyiseni, uthi mne ngathi usikwendiwa kanje, utambopha ngaliphi lo mfana, ngoba ke utamkhuta ngaliphi. That's why siyasikhuthaze ukuthi emakhaya asithanzeni inkosi, ito khona kubamba lelikhaya lisimame kube likhaya leliphelele, because a home without God is not a home. Likhaya nje nasikhuluma ngelikhaya sikhuluma ngaNkulunkulu, nasikhuluma ngelithando sikhuluma ngaNkulunkulu. You cannot tell someone that you love her if you do not know God. Because when you're talking about love, you're talking about God. That's why now ukhuluma ngelithando, lithando lihlanganiswa ngaNkulunkulu. Even when people get married, there's the Bible, there's the verse that they read to make sure ukuthi labantu laba sebayamukeleka, because it's a sin uthandzana nemuntu ngaphandle kwemshado. So ngisiyakwathi lo, but sekuyendeka nyana. And then siyasikhute, there's another mami lengihamba naye, which is my wife, Kapsile Mthula, the mom of my child. Yena ke, she grew up at the age of 12 years old. Wayekela kugcoka blue, akayisebenzisi makeup, agcoka ma-tight, Lo nje lokungathi kulibhluku kusikhinda akakusebenzisi. She doesn't even have miniskirts, uyabona. Always she's wearing dresses, long things. So ngiye ngihambe naye abatshele story sakhe labantu ukuthi yini lekwabanga ukuthi yena angathandi amabhluku. Because to be honest, uNkulunkulu akafuni abantu abasikade bawagcoke amabhluku. That is true. That's why I also go to Mr. Manana la eMahlabathini. He was a soldier. He's now a Bishop Manana la Church of God. Lapho khona bomake uyabakhuthata ukuthi babalekele kuqhina, because I would say he's an exotic chief, because here in Swaziland he's known of fighting against demons. He goes to hell and comes back. I don't know if you've watched that movie Exotic Chief. La figure, you must check it. La figure kona or understand about demons. Would say like they say like almost every day a person is attacked by more than 208 demons. Because demons come in different ways. Kunel demon nje litakutshela ukuthi naso unemali ekhikhini isebenze. Ayisebenze, ingahlali. Uyabona, funa isebenze. Uba bathi nawe awudinto tamatiphumelele. Why? It's because you are possessed. Uyabona, nale mindset yakho sekuthi into loyicamanga when you receive you want to spend. When you receive you want to spend. So at the end of the day you have nothing. That is also a demon. Uyabona, you pray for that. Because isikhathi esiningi baye bathi bani mina vele into tamatiphumelele bangiloya. No, it's not true. Tento takho leti banga ukuthi kube ngathi bakuloya. Uthi mina lokuloya awuyisukumela impilo yakho. So yeah, when God changed my life, asinangisukumela impilo nana. Asinangisukumela impilo yami. Ngacela uNkulunkulu ukuthi ngicela kike la ganga kiko konke. Yes babe. Nathi. Okay. Jimmy, thank you. Nice, Jim too. So ngasinangisukumela impilo yami ngacela uNkulunkulu ukuthi I didn't know how to pray. I wasn't good in praying. But I prayed, I asked God ukuthi ngicela kike la ganga. Ngicela kike la ganga. Ngisahlala ekhaya lapho, I was going out. Uyabona now and then, okay, ngizama ukuspana. But lihle lifuna kungidrive le demon. And then I met her mom. Her mom has played a big part in my life too, because she is a Christian. When I met her mom, waba ngikhuthaza, no, uyathi hamba usebenze. Because when I met her mom, I moved out from home. Because nansi nangiphume ejele ngabuyela ekhaya. Lokhu buhlungu ngevele. Na uphume ejele. Nakusenelikhaya kini uphinza ubuyele kibo. Uyabona? Akwendeki na uphume ejele uhambe emajiteni ubuye kuphi. You go back home. Because ekhaya bahlala kusekhaya. That's why sikhuthade batali ukuthi uyathi Nkosi yami bantu abamukeleke. It's not easy to clean your reputation. Your reputation will always haunt you. Even me now and then. Uyabona? Khona la ngifika khona abantu bathi hawu lo uyadlala lo. Asesimiyeka yekele nje utawubuyela lejele noma kanjani. Uyabona? But ke lokufika kwabacaka nyalo baba bathi uyabuyela Roger ejele uyabuyela. Okay, there's something that happened in November. I want to tell because ngiyathi uthi sive sitahamba sikuve lo. There's a guy that fetched me wangibona ka Facebook. I ended up working for him at a bar as a bouncer. Bengena ngabo 8, 7 nakavala ngiphinze ngihambe. So apparently one day this guy he bekahlupha lemsebenzini. Uyabona, ahlupha kakhulu agibele amatafula enda ini yabo bamkhute. And then one day ngivala ligede. So what happened, I used to chase out the customers, uyabona. La sebanathi la bahamba ngemoto labanye bosoka bomba abanye, because from like past 12 bese kutaba na traffic. So besikhalela bo Didi 5,000 lana utonatha maybe 200, uyabona. But ugcine sobhatala 5,000 emaphoyiseni. So sibatshela abantu, guys, if you're going to exchange, go for the whole night and make sure you'll come back in the morning, because once na driver lana nilawubosho yabo. So I'm taking out these guys. Alana ufuneka umvulela gate. He started swearing at me. Yes, babe. What's on? He started swearing at me. Started swearing at me. And then wangibita ngaphasi kwamanga. Ngehluleka kudibana. Yabo. ngagcina sengimthinza ngesandla.
Kwavuka lo broach.
Ngamthinza ngesandla, which is something that happened last year in November. Yes, which nami bengisadila ngama-anger issues because I was also giving my baby mama a bit of problems now and then, yabo. Bengisheshe ngikwate, but I've never touched her with my hand. So ngagcina vele sengisayileni futhi yangithelela le. Ngathi ngayibona iyangifacea nami, yabona. Then I gave him 2 claps, take 5, wawaphasa, ungamangala. Wasinaka esibhedlela, bafika benda lo doctor's report, which is 88, which bakubita nge-88. Nangifika emaphoyiseni, I had to saya enkantolo, bangigweba 7 years, 7,000. At that time, Pastor Simelane ashaye abude ukuthi why, because okay, he has brothers labangema lawyers, uyabona. Ashaya abude asibhuti wakhe no bamgwebe nge-previous, uyabona, because kunelicala lemeta lelendiwa ngumngani wami 2022. Wafika wabulala umuntu la New Village, wathi nakabulala umuntu saboshwa sonke because besihamba kanye kanye. Apparently this guy wasukela mina wangifanisa, ayise ngiyakwati simine angikwati mina bengisesenombolweni nami la ngiyakwati ayangikwati, uyabona. It's like wena ngiyakwati wena ngisekuseka why I'm pushing him back. Wangiyela ngebhodlela, apparently benginematress laphelela nje la nhlobo. Mina bengingathini vele ngingawo nge-internet bat lapho, yabona. Bengisheshe ngireact, yabo. Ngabe ngireacta fast, 1-2 punch wabheka etulo. Umngani wami ngaloku sibeka endumbeni lapha. There's this guy Gwebu Eswatini. He's now Gwebu Eswatini. I usually see him, he's got tattoos, crosses and all that, you know. Wahamba wayolanza tindo takhe latlanze khona. So what happened, beka kule kuye Chester. When he came out, ngasi beka mbhemse something. So lo msindvo lo ubola ngaphandle was too loud in his ears. Yabona. Kwagcina kumdriver ukuthi aphumele endumbeni ngematubana asaphethe isikhala. And then he stabbed this guy several times. Ngikungadi ukuthi umuntu ufa kanjani. Sabe siphuma sihamba. Sangayi ngisho emaphoyiseni mina ngaya emsebentini. Asisenjalo washaya emaphoyisa yesinen. Yes baby. Washaya emaphoyisa after a few days. Ngakhona le union papers ngemaphoyisa yabo. Shaya emaphoyisa asesigodweni hathi hawu Roger. Uyathi siyacela lamaphoyiseni. Okay, just that box. Siyacela lamaphoyiseni.
But Mr. Roger, uyathini, because angeke sikhona ukukhuluma itori takho diningi kakhulu, and there's the kid namuhla. Ngicela usho inombolo yakho ukuthi utholakala kuphi, then I think we will continue on the next episode.
Yes sir. Okay.
Inombolo yakho utholakala kuphi lafuna ukuthola, and yini ama-services akho very quick nje sesingaqeda la.
Thank you sir. Okay, mina ama-services ami as umgogodla welive leMaswati. Sisebende ngekumotivate abantwana, sibamentorishe, siyahamba imiphakathi, sibe sure singena nasemakhaya, sibaside, sibakhulumise badala kube netinhlala kahle. Bantwana labangahloniphi, siyithole le issue. Ukuthi kubangwa yini ukuthi lo mfana angahloniphi, because umfana lo ongahloniphi kusuke kunenkinga lekhona. Yes, lesikhathi baningi nje bantwana lesesibasikile. Even now, today bekufune ngiyeluve. Kunemfana lo se-Antioch. Just imagine at the age of what he said is 14 or 15, the boy is willing ukuthi angigibete ngele unenkinga.
No, aqhubeke.
Okay, unenkinga with at grade 6. Uka grade 6 lo mfana. Uka grade 6 lo mfana bayambullisha. I need to go to Luve nje ngiyomsita lo mfana. Nguye lo ngibitako abati batali bakhe. Ngiyambuta lo mfana, mngani wami ngidawufika kanjani le kuwe ngoba mina nginenkinga transport. Usayi khuleka malume. Mina la kubo 2 nje ngamhlanganisa 200. Kudala kimi is like 25 rand. Yabo kusuka kamanzini weluve. What is 15 and then kufika le kuye is like 10 rand. Yabo. So siyesiphume singene imiphakathi, singene etikolweni, singene emakhaya. Sizame inhlala kahle lesiye sicele asiketi ngebubi. Sita ngesihle, sita ngelive lenkosi, sitonikuthata nale mindenini. So what we do mentally, we try and give them options. Siyabakhumbuta labantwana ukuthi they are diamonds, and the diamond is made out of pressure, and that pressure is the family. Yabona. So siyazibakhute kuloko. Umgogodla welive is there to help each and every child, to help the Christian society, because we come from the Christian society. Umgogodla welive wakhiwe i-Christian society ukuthi usite wonke umuntu emhlabeni. So inombolo yami mina iyatholakala is 76 421 555. Ikhona futhi lenye letholakala is 76473379, which you'll find Magedudu. Siyasite even abortions siyabakhulumisa laba abortile. We have cases nje lapho khona we have parents laba bangala bantwana ukuthi ba abort. Aso hayi ngoba usafunza form 2 form 3 ahamba ayosikhipha lesisi lo mfana le mvolo iyamlimata because lokho kube buhlungu lomfana uba nalomqondo ukuthi ngani bhuti wami lomzala wamdala na 16 mina seyangendakalela le mvo sekuthiwa ngiyokhipha sisu. Uyayibona le mvo le, which le mvo le iyamlimata lomfana khula abe nesilonza emndenini wakibo asho ukuthi ngake vele yavunyanya ngoba nyaka sibangendise 9 labangendise yona. So yeah, siyazama ukubakhulumisa sibachacisele ukuthi no, it's not that your family hates you. Yabo, they are there for you. But ke lokumqoka ukuthi nawe ezungumntwana enjoy ebusha bakho. Enjoy kuba ngumntwana ngoba lesikhathi leso siyaphela. Tomorrow udaba ngumlomzala. So siyasibakhuthade ukuthi at a young age abahloniphe emakhaya, babeketelele badala bangadimandi ngoba kuye kube buhlungu umfana nakadimanda something from an adult. For instance makwamsebenta emarket sengidimanda i-iPhone. So yeah.
Mr. Roger, thank you so much for coming. Ngiyacela, and I know kulama audience sitacela ukuthi phinde uzivakashele
Yes, sir.
where we can talk more in detail.
Yes.
So, thank you so much, my brother, for coming. We'll see you guys on the next episode. Guys, please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, comment, and share. We'll see you guys on the next episode. Yeah, that marks the end